What is up, everybody? This is V from V Worldwide. Another unboxing for you here. So I have here the AKG wireless headphones. So model N60 and C wireless. So I got this when I got my Galaxy Note 9. This is one of the pre-order bonuses. So I'm going to unbox it here and let you know about it a little bit. So looks like it would pair pretty good with the Galaxy Note 9. It is a line of AKG headphones designed for traveling in an urban environment and commuting. So there's people on the go, a little airplane there, city skyline, all that, train. Anyway, looks like it'd be perfect for someone on the go. I don't think I'd use it for that. I think I'm gonna use it more for just listening to music in the house or listen to computer, gaming, streaming, stuff like that. So we'll check it out here. All right, let's bust it up and let's see what we got in here. Got my unboxing nail file. Check that out. That open. There we go. AKG and Samsung. I don't know if they own them or something. They do a lot of work together. Let's see here what we got. Another box within a box. Oh man, check that out. Look at that. Nice little presentation. Got some foam out here. It's not what you're here for though. Let's check it out. A book in there. Oh. A little hidden compartment. Oh, okay. So we've got a little AKG, looks like a little charger there, adapter. Got there. Let's see here. That's all we got in the box. Let's see what we got here. This is probably just the instructions and everything. You wanna know what's up with that? Let's see. Showing the different ways you can store them, I guess. Headphones, carrying case, comes with a USB charging cable, detachable one-button remote microphone, universal cable for calls, and audio control. So you can actually take calls on this. And it's not a surprise. It looks like a lot of them are doing that. Anyway, you can come here and look at the instructions. So let's see. Oh, nice. Button there. Carrying bag. Let's get this open here. See if we got anything else in the bag. Nothing else in the bag there. I have no idea what the. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. It's like it's just for packing purposes, so nothing will puncture it or something. Oh, okay. A little flexing here. So I bought a pair of. I bought two pair of the. PlayStation Gold microphones, or I'm sorry, headphones. I got a big head, I got a tank head, and when I put them on, I mean, I've cracked two pair already. I mean, it wasn't like upon putting them on, but it was more like over time and playing, I've noticed cracks in it, and my last two broke. So I'm gonna try these out, like game with them a little bit. There you go. You are. You store them like that. So there you are. AKG N60 wireless headphones, noise canceling wireless headphones. So, oh, okay, so AKG is by Harman. So, all right, there you are, folks. Another unboxing. This is V Worldwide. I am out. Hey, real quick, my bad, guys. So, check this out. So, I was putting everything away and forgot to show you the cables. I know you didn't come to see cables, but hey. So inside this bag, there's a little hidden compartment here. I don't know why it's hidden. Pop that open. Bam, we got cables. So there you go. They are, they're like the ones you get, the AKG headphones that you get with your, the Note 9. So they have a little braided cable there. Can't go wrong with that. There's your adapter there. Wham. see. Come on, focus. There we go. AKG. All right, I am done, folks. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. V, and I'm out again.